play 1x stitch, play 10x stitch, and play 1000x stitch. This tool is useful to play stitches in the design. First, we will turn on the routine mode by pressing Home key. Now, we will press the Play 1x button, and one stitch will play in the design. Press right-click on Play 1x button to play backward. Press Play 10x button to play 10 stitches in design. Press right-click on Play 10x button to play backward. And we press Play 1000x button to play 1000 stitches in the design. And press right-click on Play 1000x button to play backward. We press the left click to play stitches forward, and press the left click to play stitches to backward.